The EHRLE Self-Service Multi-Terminal 4-in-1 is a professional-grade solution for vehicle care and tire inflation services. The terminal is conveniently placed between care bays, allowing two customers to clean their vehicles simultaneously. All tools are clean, well-organized, and easily accessible to the customer. The multi-terminal provides the following services: self-service vacuuming, self-service tornado cleaning nozzle, self-service compressed air blowout gun, and self-service electronic tire inflation station. Payments can be made in cash or using tokens, with the amount displayed after coin insertion. A fixed preset amount can also be paid via debit or credit card. Most regular customers prefer to use a preloaded car wash key for their wash and care programs, which can be easily inserted during use. The desired care programs are activated via illuminated program selection buttons. All cleaning tools are ergonomically stored above in designated compartments, allowing customers to easily pull them out for use. The hose stays in the desired position and automatically retracts into the storage compartment, rolling up neatly once the care program is completed. Special swiveling suction nozzles with side bypass vents prevent the nozzle from adhering to vehicle interiors, ensuring a constant airflow to remove dirt particles efficiently. The EHRLE Multi-Cyclone Vacuum Cleaner operates without filters or dust bags, using a fully mechanical tornado principle. In the first stage, the incoming airflow spins to separate larger dirt particles through centrifugal force. The air then moves to a second cleaning stage, using a smaller diameter cyclone vacuum cleaner to extract finer particles. Collected dirt is deposited in a stainless steel container, which can be emptied during routine maintenance. The EHRLE Tornado Cleaning Nozzle offers quick, deep cleaning for hard-to-reach areas like door sills, seat rails, door compartments, center consoles, dashboards, headliners, and upholstery. The unique tornado effect ensures even the toughest dirt is removed efficiently, similar to a dirt blaster. A gentle cleaning solution is consistently fed into the tornado airflow. The nozzle is known for its high air volume flow and intensive impulse effect, making it ideal for refreshing velour surfaces and removing pet hair. The EHRLE Air Blow Gun is perfect for cleaning vehicle interiors, including cockpits, door compartments, and ventilation systems. It effortlessly reaches difficult areas inside the vehicle. The stainless steel nozzle tube is rounded on the tip to prevent damage to the interior, and the compressed air output is limited to 2.5 bar for safe use. The tire inflator is a valuable addition to the self-service multi-terminal. Customers can use the electronic tire inflator to maintain the tire pressure as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. This helps improve safety, reliability, and the overall lifespan of the tires. The illuminated LCD display ensures easy reading of tire pressure, even in low light conditions. Users can adjust the desired pressure using the plus or minus buttons, and the actual tire pressure is displayed. The inflator automatically adjusts the tire pressure to the set value, with inflation and deflation occurring in intervals. The data is stored in the intermediate memory for use on other tires. Once the car care session is complete, the customer removes the car wash key, and the terminal is ready for the next user. Thank you for choosing EHRLE. your trusted partner for high-quality self-service car wash solutions.